Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at NoSQL databases and we're going through the 7 reasons why you should be using it in your next project. Reason number 1, flexible data models. NoSQL databases like MongoDB, Cassandra and Couchbase offer flexible data models. So that allows you to store data in various formats such as JSON, XML or key value pairs. So this means that you have flexibility when it comes to your schema itself. So you're not stuck with one particular schema, which means in the future if you want to change something, it's a lot easier as opposed to a SQL model where it's very fixed and making changes can actually break your entire system. And it allows you to store structured and non-structured data in different formats, and it doesn't actually break your model when you do that. Next up is scalability. NoSQL databases excel at horizontal scalability, allowing you to distribute your data across multiple nodes in a cluster effortlessly. As your application grows and demand increases, you can actually just scale out very easily by adding more nodes and more hardware. And this is even easier when you're using cloud infrastructure like Azure or AWS. This distributed architecture ensures that your database can handle large volumes of concurrent requests without sacrificing performance, providing seamless scalability for growing applications. Next is high performance. NoSQL databases are optimized for high performance, with features such as in-memory caching, sharding, and parallel processing. They deliver extremely fast read and write operations, making them ideal for real-time applications with low latency. And by leveraging efficient indexing and storage mechanisms, NoSQL databases can handle complex queries and data manipulation with minimum overhead, ensuring optimal performance even with massive datasets. Next is fault tolerance. Many NoSQL databases have replication and data redundancy built into it, which allows for adequate fault tolerance. In the event of hardware failures or network disruptions, these databases can automatically fail over to healthy nodes, ensuring continuous availability and data durability. By replicating data across multiple nodes, NoSQL databases can withstand node failures without compromising data integrity or consistency, while providing peace of mind for mission-critical applications. Next is support for big data. NoSQL databases are designed for large volumes of data, which means it's perfect for a big data solution. They can efficiently store and process diverse data types, including structured and semi-structured, as well as unstructured data, enabling organizations to extract valuable insights from their data lakes. With support for distributed computing and parallel processing, NoSQL databases can scale horizontally to accommodate petabytes of data, empowering organizations to tackle complex analytical workloads and machine learning tasks. Next is ease of development. NoSQL databases often provide simple APIs and flexible query languages that streamline application development. Developers can interact with NoSQL databases using familiar programming languages and frameworks, reducing the learning curve and development time. So if you're already a developer using C# or Java or any sort of programming language, it's very easy for you to start interacting with NoSQL. The schemaless nature of NoSQL actually allows developers to work a lot faster. So traditionally with the SQL databases, you need to have your SQL environment set up. You need to have your schema set up, your tables, your store procedures, all those type of things, and then the developers can start their work. Whereas with the NoSQL, they can just start working on their side, and as changes happen, they just make the changes in the application, and then it just works. And the last reason for this video is cost effectiveness. NoSQL databases typically offer more affordable licensing options compared to traditional relational databases, making them cost-effective choice for startups and enterprises. With the ability to run on commodity hardware or cloud infrastructure, NoSQL databases minimize infrastructure costs while providing scalable and reliable storage solutions. By leveraging open source NoSQL solutions or managed services offered by cloud providers, organizations can optimize their infrastructure spending and focus resources on innovation instead of infrastructure management. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're building a web application or an IoT app or any sort of database or data lake, a NoSQL database will cover you in pretty much anything that you really need. And like I mentioned earlier, because there's no schema, developers can actually innovate and make changes a lot faster and work in a more agile way. And of course, that doesn't mean that SQL doesn't have its place. SQL does. If you want to know a bit more about why you want to use SQL, I will be adding a few more videos on this channel. So remember to click on that subscribe and the bell notification so you're updated on when it is uploaded. Or maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's already been uploaded to the channel. And you guys go check out the channel and go look at all the other videos over there. Remember to give this video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.